What's up, Saab fans around the world, and welcome back to another video. So today we are taking the Monte Carlo Yellow 9.5 out for a spin. A lot of people has been asking about the car, and yes, it is officially sold. So this car is now going to leave for Denmark. And due to its leaving for Denmark, we are going to change from the biopower software to a regular petrol software, so we don't have any issues with the adaptation and stuff like that. So now we're just gonna let the car heat up a little bit. Then we're gonna take it and do some pulls to see and log some values, so we can make some smaller adjustments. So this is the first like 100% petrol first map. So you can see by the intro of this video, the cold start is so immediate, it just kicks in right away. And it's really nice, because that's not the case when you're running on ethanol. So, and damn, I'm going to miss this car, because it pulls so nice, and all these noises like the turbo spooling, the blow off valve, everything is just perfect about this car. And the power that it's making on just regular petrol is really nice as well. I would say it's a little bit more safe than E85 map, but we will see what the values will say when we get it up to heat. And we are going to upload a new software with some other features as well. We are just going to get some heat into the engine and a little bit of air into the tires, because right now we are on winter tires, studded winter tires, which is not the best for fast driving. And you can see the weather is, the snow has just recently got off the road, so now it's 8+ Celsius, which should be good enough for some driving. So the tune is currently flashing, so we're just waiting a little bit. This should take about a minute or so, then we should be good to go again. And we will reset the ECU, then we will start do some driving and do some pulls. Now we have started the logging, as you can see, and everything is on. So now we should start to do some slight pulls. So I found one of the hoses down here had popped off, but I found another thing that's not so good either. The magnetic valve wasn't sitting at its bracket, so it had came loose. And if you see down here, it has melted some of the magnetic valve on the exhaust manifold. Not so good, so here we definitely have a leak. Why doesn't things always turn out like you want them to? When you are about to do something, always something happens. That's just the regular case. So when I pop the hose back on, it seems like it's working, but with half of the magnetic valve just melted, I'm not gonna do some logging because it will probably be some misreadings, but yeah, the car seems to work either way, so definitely cuts, so it's not moving like it should 100%. Or maybe that was the hose that came off again. Yes. So back to the garage and do some homework, put on that hose again, then we might be boosting, but we need a new magnetic valve, so the benefit of having more than one Saab is that you can borrow parts from the other one. So the magnetic valve or the APC was toasted, so I switched it up for a new one, and I also attached the hose that came loose, cut a little bit off, and then attached it with a clamp, so now it should sit. So now we have started some logging again. And as I said before, we are not going to do anything crazy because the tires are really slippery and the site isn't the best in the world right now. So just a little bit for the logging to see that we got the lambda correct and everything. So good. Now for a couple of months I have been driving my daily, which is an OG95 2005 95 Aero, but it has like 270 horsepower, and this is something else. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And if I wasn't clear on that in the beginning, the car is sold and it's leaving for Denmark, but I still got it because I need to adjust the tune. I'm gonna change the windshield and a little bit of other things to fix up before it's going. And the weather has been terrible this couple of weeks and months, so there has been a lot of snow, and I don't want anyone to come and pick up the car when it's like that shitty weather. So rather have it like it is right now, some plus Celsius degrees and some clean roads to drive home to. But anyways, please subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.